A standard traffic stop on a cold winter night in Wisconsin escalated dramatically when a driver's erratic behavior led to a dangerous confrontation on the edge of a highway overpass.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hey, Officer Bukowski, Greenfield, please. Police department, can you roll down your window for me? So the reason I'm stopping you, you're having a hard time maintaining your lane. Is there a reason for that, or? No. No? You have your driver's license on you? Where are you headed today? Where's work at?
No, I don't work. I was up the road.
I'm confused. Where you headed?
I'm just going up the road.
Do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm 36.
Okay. You know what city you're in? Franklin? Okay. So where are you headed?
Just I'm driving around.
You're just driving around? Here's that back. I'll be right back up, okay? How's it going? Oh, fantastic. You guys got 5 priors.
Okay.
So he can't maintain his lane. Barely had his window open. Could smell the odor. And I'm gonna probably take him back to the lobby.
Because it's cold. Makes sense.
And I can give him the option. He can do either one. But he's just very
69 traffic.
slow and yeah, and just not giving me answers and stuff. Just acting a little weird.
Is it without a license somehow?
It's been a while. Last OWI was in 05.
Holy cow. He's turning his car on. Yep, he's turning his car on. Can you roll down this window, please? Can you roll this down? Turn your car off. Turn your car off.
Hey, Brian. Can you do me a favor and step out of the vehicle for me? Huh?
No,
No, sir? Why is that?
there's no reason.
I'm lawfully telling you to step out of the vehicle.
Not my driver's license. Not my driver's license.
Nope, you have to step out of the vehicle.
There's no reason for me to step out of the vehicle.
Open the door. Don't take off.
Do not do that.
Don't take off.
I'm not going to.
Turn off the f***ing car now. It's either, you got 2 options. You can step out of the car, I'm gonna break this window.
He's taking off. Yeah.
Take it off.
22 dispatch. He took off. It's gonna be a 55 investigation. Northbound, coming up to Layton. Speed 60, passing Layton. If Greenfield can get sticks up somewhere, and we're past.
But before we continue, we can tell you enjoy this type of content, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Make sure to turn on notifications too, so you never miss a new video.
Seeing the interstate, continuing northbound on Loomis. Passing 43rd, and still continuing. Speed's about 50.
Traffic light.
Why don't you call it, Ellis? We're gonna go back southbound.
Southbound on Loomis, coming up to 43rd. No traffic.
Got signal P. We're going to go southbound. Freeway.
And he's going southbound again. Appears he's trying to go eastbound at 894.
Another detention in pursuit of a vehicle that went for possible intoxication when eastbound on 894 from Loomis.
Currently going on 894 eastbound. Speeds are at 20 miles an hour right now.
It is confirmed the registered owner.
Brian J. Anderson out of Waterford.
Greenfield Police Department, we're going to be eastbound 894 from Loomis. Possible 55. Speeds are going to be at 60 miles an hour. Traffic is light. Roads are dry. We're going to be passing 27th Street, continuing eastbound 894. Speeds are at 77 miles an hour.
Very light traffic, road are dry. 455, we're getting off at 27th Street. Go northbound on 27th Street from 894. He ran the red light at 27th. He ran the red light at 27th.
Continuing northbound on 27th, he is in the left lane.
He is all over the road. Also 55.
He's trying to jump the fence over onto the freeway.
Help me! Grab that leg! Do not do this, man. That's a crime. Oh, can you grab his... Can you get up? Grab him?
Just hang on, we got more hands coming.
It's okay.
I need hands up here!
No, you don't. You need no hands.
Get hands up here!
No, you don't. That's a fine.
No, he's gonna fall.
Grab.
Come on, sir.
No. Let me sit. Okay.
No, come on. No. No. Come on.
You know what?
Hold on.
Let's go.
Put your hand back now! We're gonna get tased.
Do not resist, you're gonna get tased.
Got the second one. I got the second one.
You got him?
Yep, one good. Good? 24, we're taking into custody. Are we good?
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, we're all
Yeah, everyone's good.
Everyone good?
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, you guys are... That's all. Jimmy. Woo.
All right, man, stand up. Stand.
Let's walk him back to my squad here.
Let's go this way.
Jimmy. South Milwaukee. You know,
I wouldn't try to name drop it.
I know. I'm just fucking...
Yeah, he was right at the stop. He was trying to cut the front. Excuse me,
Okay.
That's fine.
Following a tactical rescue by officers, the suspect, Brian Anderson, was apprehended and charged with multiple felonies, including a repeat drunk driving offense and endangering others.